Alright, welcome back, you guys. Like I said in the previous video, we're doing another one, just me by myself. Today we're going to be changing the color of my wheels. I kind of got tired of the gold and just want to go back to a darker color. So we're going to be plastic dipping the wheels once again. I am going to go for, I had them before, a metallized black, but now I'm going for like a metallized gray or gunmetal gray. We're gonna see how it comes out. I never done this color combo with the metallizer and the gray. It should be coming to like a dark color when I put the metallizer, so we'll see how that comes out. Right now I'm gonna just take off the wheels, clean them off. I don't think I need to show you that. It's pretty easy. You sure already know how to do that by now. Make sure y'all what I use to clean them, and we're gonna get started dipping. I'll see you guys in a bit. If y'all didn't know, these are my wheels. No, some little cheap replica XXRs, but you know I'm broke as shit, so I can't afford expensive ass wheels. You know, we're gonna take these off and we're gonna dip them. So
I got my city on lock, I got the internet buzzing. Every song that I drop, you got the fireman coming, bringing that heat with the CD. When they see me, wanna be me, better believe that I be free in a big league, not pee-wee. And I got cheese like CC's, I'm never gon' flop. Looking back down from the top, never caught up on a loss. Ballin' cause I've been a boss, they follow me like I'm the law. Put all the weight on my back, gon' be a legend like my name is Shaq. Gon' be a funeral when I attack, so watch how you act. They never thought I could've rap, damn, I'm one of a kind, that's something. Texas Hold'em, not bluffing, I'm a diamond in the rough, and I'll never be tripping on nothing. They betting on me like Bitcoin, they wanted a steak like sirloin, but I be playing for keeps though. I'm stacking up green like CeeLo. I'm sorry but I had to vent, too many things to get off of my chest. 2018 gon' be bringing more stress, I gotta be ready to handle the mess. Hey, cleaning it up like a bus boy, but you can find me in a Benz though. All these rappers tryna flex though, but we know that it's a rental. They don't wanna love me till I'm winning, they can't really block me from my vision.
oh, I didn't see you guys there. I'm gonna mount them. Right now it's kind of dark, so you won't be able to see shit. But when I get back from work tomorrow, I'll show y'all. I'm actually surprised at how the end product looked with this gunmetal and the metallizer can. That's pretty dope. I like the color. I think I like this color better than what he used to have, which was the black and metallizer. Yo, what is up, you guys? Different day. I guess it's gonna be a continuation of the video where I was doing the wheels, which I never showed you how they came out, but here they go. This is them. Came out pretty good, pretty nice, pretty nice. But as you can tell, it's been a little bit of a change in weather. Yeah, it snowed, so I'm not sure when this is coming out. Editing is a little bit fucked up with my brother. I guess it's gonna be a continuation of the video. Today we're gonna be installing an overpipe and a front pipe on the car. I already had the car on jack stands. I actually already started unbolted the front pipe. Right now I just have to take it off because you know it's a little difficult to take off the overpipe. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what's going on right now. As you can see, I got the jack under. This is the front pipe, you know, restrictive cat. I'll show you what I'm putting in later. Let me get under and show you what we did. So here's the overpipe. It does have these stupid heat shields all over. Take those off and you'll have more room, but also there is the bolt right there, which is up to the engine mount. Loosen it up and then jack it up on the oil pan. I'll put a piece of wood just in case, and then you're gonna be able, because when you're doing it through the subframe, you can either pull it out this way or pull it out towards the back, which it was easier for me to pull it out this way because you will struggle to take it without taking the engine mount out, so I just recommend doing that. So get the overpipe back inside, which is also kind of a little difficult, but I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. We took it out. We got the stock front pipe, HKS dual resonated front pipe. Well, it wasn't used, but I got it from another guy that was brand new. It's 300 new, 330 new, around that price. Got it for 200, it was brand new. And then we have, boom, both the stock and the new overpipe. I had to go with the Tomei overpipe. since I already have the tow-made headers, which will like go perfectly with, and then the HKS. So fully catless system. I will get a tune later since I am catless. Don't worry about that. Don't be like, oh no, no tune, no tune. It is getting tuned. Alright, I'm gonna get that overpipe in, bolt it on, put that in, and then the overpipe, and then we'll get a quick sound clip. Alright, so we got the overpipe, and I lowered the engine back down. I'm about to bolt up the engine mount before I forget. The overpipe is in. Alright, so I got everything on that already. Just gotta tighten it down. That's the front pipe already on. Gotta tighten that bitch down there. And then bolt that right there down. Bolt down there. And then we'll do a little sound clip. Alright, so we are all done. Everything's bolted on. Nice, it's fitting. Everything's Gucci. Now for the sound clip.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does.